Google I/O 2025 just dropped mind-blowing AI upgrades and futuristic tech, from Gemini's smarter features to Android XR glasses. The future is here. Today on GadInsider, we're unpacking the biggest highlights that stole the show. Stick around, you won't believe what's coming. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and next-gen innovation. Google I/O 2025, held on May 20th, 2022, was all about AI and immersion. Gemini 2.5 Pro, Android XR, and more lit up the keynote. Let's dive into the top highlights that have tech fans buzzing. First, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Google's AI now handles complex tasks like planning trips or coding with better reasoning. Gemini Live uses your camera, voice, and web data for real-time answers, like identifying landmarks on the go. It's rolling out to Chrome, Gmail, and Search for 1.5 billion users. Next, Android XR stole the spotlight. Google's new platform powers smart glasses and headsets, like Samsung's Project Muhan. Think Google Maps in AR or 3D video calls with Google Beam. I/O attendees got live demos, and expos are hyped for 2025 release. Google Search got a major AI mode upgrade, turning results into chat-style answers. Plus, new tools like Flow for AI filmmaking and Imagen 4 for media creation make creativity effortless. These are hitting Android 16 and beyond soon. From Gemini Smarts to XR's immersion, Google's pushing tech to new heights, with I/O 2025 setting the stage. 2025 is looking like a game changer for Android users. GadInsider fan, what's your I/O 2025 highlight? Gemini Live, Android XR glasses, or AI search? Drop it in the comments. And if you're hyped for tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.